Good morning, my lovely viewers. Good morning, everyone. Days are starting to be shorter. The gray is in full bloom. The sun, barely we can see it now. There are days where it's everything gray, no ray of sun, nothing. Fall, it's in full bloom. Leaves are falling down. The cold weather started to get in, and myself, I'm feeling the need to eat something warm, and for that reason I decided to share with you my favorite rice pudding recipe. Good morning, my lovely viewers. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and I'm still very sleepy, as you can see. But a few days ago I asked you on my Instagram stories, I shared with you a recipe, a rice pudding recipe, and I asked you if you like to see the full recipe, and today is the day where I'm taking time to record that recipe. It's very easy, so let's put it together and then eat it because I'm very hungry. Okay, enjoy the recipe. Bye. To prepare the recipe you will need a pot, rice pudding. Has to be specific rice pudding because it will bind together nicely. You will need water. The measurements are easy. You use 1 cup of rice, pudding rice, and 5 cups of water. The item to use to measure the rice, you use it to measure the water as well. You can use a cup, you can use a bowl, you can use a measuring cup, as I'm using today, just because I have it and I invest the money to buy one. And vanilla powder for a little more extra flavor. And the key point now is to stay next to the stove and stir so the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. It's a lot of patience involved in this recipe, which is good because you practice and learn how to be patient. Shall I show you how the weather looks like outside? It's raining and we're making rice pudding just to go in time with the autumn days. Our rice pudding is almost done. Look, it's getting thicker now, and this is the time where I like to add my plant-based milk. I don't add it earlier because I like to keep that flavor towards the end. So it's almost done. I will put it very low on number 1 on my stove and let it stay here until I add the milk. For rice pudding I like to use coconut milk. It's a very dense and creamy texture coconut milk. I like this brand a lot. It's by Whole Foods Online Co UK. I buy it from eBay. And the reason why I like it so much is the 2 ingredients that are in the can. Coconut, 72%, and just water. These are the mainly 2 ingredients. What do you want more than that? This is super clean. And you can add whatever type of plant-based milk you like. I have oats milk as well, but I don't like it. It's too liquidy. Sorry, for my rice pudding, I like the coconut version, so I'm going with a full can. The rice pudding is done. Smell amazing. I prepare only 1 bowl because my husband in the morning likes to have cereals with oats milk, and he's on the way to come home from the gym, so we can have breakfast together. And I will arrange the table for both of us. This is one of the things that I always like to do. It's a self-respect and self-love, self-care. Fresh flowers from my own garden. It's always a thing to have on my tables if it's possible, if I have them. Oh, this rose smells amazing. Amazing. And here you have it, guys, the rice pudding recipe using plant-based milk, coconut milk. I've topped it up today with strawberry jam, dry fruits like sultanas, goji and halfa walnut. Let me know in the comment section if you try it, how did you find it? I would love to know that. And until the next time, all the best, look after yourself and your family, and bye for now. Bye bye everyone, bye.
Sono enorme, devo mancare di mezzo dei posti.